consistency leads to success.
Now we would like
Success and failure. So concentrate on finding goals and consistently work upon it to reach it. I repeat my thought. Concentration and consistency is the margin between victory and success. So concentrate on goals and consistently work upon it to reach. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone presented over here. I, Kanishka Avasti, on the behalf of Grade 12 Science, stand before you to present short note on consistency leads to success. Success is often seen as an elusive peak, an aspiration that requires dedicated effort and strategic navigation. In the pursuit of this grand goal, one principle stands tall as a guiding light: consistency. At its core, consistency refers to the art of maintaining uniformity and steadfastness in actions and behavior over time. Whether it's honing a skill or excelling professionally, the principle of consistency lies as an unshakable foundation. The principle of consistency endows us with the wisdom of incremental growth. The key lies in understanding that consistency sustains momentum, making the journey smoother and the accomplishment more substantial. Thank you.
Security forces killed a terrorist trying to infiltrate LOC in the Baramula district of Jammu and Kashmir. Sunrisers Hyderabad beats Chennai Super Kings by 6 wickets with 11 balls to spare. Abhishek Sharma is the player of the match. India will enter Pakistan to kill anyone who escapes over the border after trying to carry out terrorist activity in the country. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh told broadcasters CNN News 18 on Friday. Thank you.
like to invite Keshav for Hindi.
गोदाम में लगी भीषण आग, 6000 से ज्यादा ट्रांसफार्मर जलकर हुए राख, 500 से ज्यादा घरों को कराया गया खाली। केरला में बम धमाके में एक महिला की मौत, अतः एक व्यक्ति हुआ घायल। केरला के कन्नूर जिले में गुरुवार को हुआ था यह हादसा। अब कुछ खेल समाचार। चेन्नई लगातार दूसरी हार के साथ पटरी से उतरी, हैदराबाद ने दी करारी शतक। आज जयपुर के SMS स्टेडियम में 7:30 बजे रॉयल्स और RCB होंगे आमने सामने। धन्यवाद।
Everything. One of the main keys to success is to keep going once you start. Sometimes it's really that simple. Not giving up will take you very far, so it's important seriously. While you might not get to your objective easily, you can get there by putting in enough work. Ask yourself whether you want the
Good morning, everyone. So colorful, so beautiful, just looking like, little loudly, just looking like, wow, wow. Wow is the feel which everyone likes. Wow is the feel everyone loves. Everybody wants that there should be a wow feel. For creating and generating wow, you have to be consistent first of all. Today's topic of the prayer is consistency. My dear lovely students, you have heard this story of rabbit and tortoise. Raise a hand who have heard it. कछुआ होता है जो रेनबो में भी है। अरे वाह, इतने बच्चों ने सुनी। थोड़ा सा माइक वॉल्यूम आप करेंगे प्लीज। और एक रैबिट होता है, खरगोश होता है। सब बच्चों ने सुनी है? सभी बच्चों। अच्छा, तो मैं जानना चाहूंगा उस कहानी में होता क्या है। ठीक है, आप सभी ने हाथ बढ़ा के। थैंक यू। अपना नाम बताएं।
My name is Yogul.
वाह, एक युग परिवर्तन होने जा रहा है। माय नेम इज युग और रेनबो युग।
My name is Rainbow.
हकीकत में कितनी प्यारी बात कह दी बच्चे ने। रेनबो युग यानी ये जो ईरा है, ये जो एज जो चल रहा है वो रेनबो का चल रहा है क्या? So let's दोनों एक दूसरे से क्या करेंगे? जेलसी करेंगे। क्या करेंगे? मन में आ जाती है, हाँ नहीं मैं तेज, वो कह नहीं मैं तेज। दो स्मार्ट लोग जनरली नहीं बैठ पाते, उनको लगता है मैं स्मार्ट हूँ, कहता नहीं मैं स्मार्ट। तो उनकी दोस्ती किसके साथ होती है? जो कम स्मार्ट होता है ना, उनके साथ। अब इन दोनों की जो दोस्ती थी, वो एक दिन दोनों ने कहा ठीक है रेस लगाते हैं। फिर पता है मेरे प्यारे बच्चों रेस में क्या हुआ? कौन बताएगा रेस में क्या हुआ? फर्स्ट 30 मिनट्स, यस, क्या हुआ था? 1 2 3 पिस्टल was there and the race began. What happened? बच्ची को माइक दे।
My name is Rainbow Dhruvika, and first 30 minutes there is a rabbit running fast and tortoise was slow, but in the last 4-5 minutes rabbit was thinking tortoise was so slow, so I will take some rest. So he has taken, and while taking rest he was slept, and tortoise was came here slowly he was slowly gone away, and then rabbits wake up and he goes after faster, but the tortoise was already winning the race.
The same thing and the same is the message over here. My dear lovely students, if you are consistent in your working, no matter you are not jumping, no matter you are not running at an ace speed, no matter you are up to now unable to create some wow effect, but do not ever quit or leave. One day you can see your school. When in the year 2000 we started the journey of Rainbow, at that time one small room, just one small room, and 20 students, only 20 students. Slowly, many people they thought, they saw, oh, they won't be able enough to mark anything. And consistency, hammering. And today you can see Rainbow as a very huge empire.
And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and elders. Respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my